This is the Mercedes B-Class, the second generation, 2011-2019. And if you want to find the tire pressure that is optimal for your car, you will obviously go here first, because in many cars you will have the sticker on this door jamb and it will tell you the optimal tire pressure for different situations for your car. But unfortunately in this vehicle I don't have it. I know that some Mercedes B-Class models of this generation will have this sticker, but my car doesn't have it. So the second place where I can find the sticker is right here. So my car is electric, as you see, and here I have the information about the tire pressure. It's given in kilopascals, and 100 kilopascals is 1 bar. It's not hard to count what you need. So if we have just average load, payload, we will have 2.6 bars in each wheel of this car, in front wheels and back wheels. And if we put the maximum payload, so a lot of load, 5 people in this car, we will have 3 bars in each wheel. This will be the optimal pressure. But in your car, this information may differ, and it's very important to look at the stickers in your vehicle, because in this car I have the tire size R16 to 205 60 R16, and for these vehicles Mercedes recommends this pressure. But you may have different wheels, so you will have different tire pressure recommendations, and it's important to find a sticker, whether it's here or there on this let's say gas door, but it's not a gas door in my case, it's charging door.